So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first step is attaching the JoyCons. So you can just go ahead and attach the JoyCons to your console. And then just switch it on. So look for the power button and press on it to turn on the console. And then just wait for it to load. So go ahead and choose the language that you're going to be using, as well as the region. Read any important information and then tap on next. And then you now need to connect to your Wi-Fi. So tap on internet settings, wait for it to search for any nearby networks, and then choose your network and enter in your password. So let's just reduce the volume here. Okay, and then enter in our password. And then wait for it to connect. Tap on OK and wait to move to the next step. So then it will prompt you to confirm that the system update. So just tap on next and simply wait for the update to start downloading itself. From here, choose your time zone and then tap on next. It will just give you basic information that you need to know or that you should know whenever you're using your Switch, such as having a stand, allowing group sharing, and all sorts of things. So tap on done. Then it will give you instructions on how to attach and detach JoyCons. So pins at the back that you can use to do that. So just go ahead and follow through the process of attaching and detaching the JoyCons so that they ensure that you know what you're doing. From here, tap on next. And then you can choose to connect to a TV right now, or you can choose to do that later. But simply subscribe, as I'll be doing that video very soon. So let's just tap on later. And then you can choose to continue by viewing the attachment guide. So attachment guide is basically these items that you would have gotten during the unboxing of your Nintendo Switch 2. This was what allows you to turn these JoyCons into mice. And then you have the wrist holder like that. So you have for both sides, you have from the right and from the left. So if you want to learn how to use them, you can just tap on view attachment guide, or you can choose to just do that later. Then tap on OK and wait for the download to complete itself. Wait for the update to finish itself, and then it will go through a restart process as the update is being installed. So just wait patiently. So tap on OK to finish up the update. And then if you have a previous Nintendo Switch and you want to be able to transfer your data, you can just select Begin System Transfer. If you don't have any data that you want to transfer, you can just select Don't Transfer Data. And then from here, it's time for you to add a user. So just tap on Next. And then choose to sign in with your Nintendo account so that you can get the best of both worlds. If not, then you can always just choose to add user without signing in. Choose your icon and then give yourself a username and then tap on OK. Tap on OK. And then you can choose to add even more users. So you can see all these circles mean how many users you can add, or you can just choose to skip and do that later. You can choose to enable parental controls if you want to, or you can just choose to skip if you don't need that. If you have a micro SD that you want to add, you can just go ahead and insert it, and then you can tap on how to insert and follow through the process of inserting it, or you can tap on skip and just leave that up. So now, to finish up the process, simply press on the home button on your JoyCon like this, and this will take you to the home screen of your brand new Nintendo Switch 2. And so now you can go ahead and purchase a game or insert a game card, and you can now start playing on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about the setup process, leave them down below and subscribe to the channel.